Ladies and gentlemen, we here at Rowden & Sons are proud to offer an extra nice BOBCAT 873G. This is a high lift machine. It gets way the heck up there, close to 9 to 10 foot, if I'm not mistaken, and I don't think I am. It's got good tires, it's clean, it's straight. I'm going right here for the engine so you can see the engine. The engine's real clean. Doesn't leak. That's a Deutz diesel, 73.5 horsepower. You got plenty of power here. It has a brand new battery in it. We put that in there. I think the other battery was about 60-65% at max. That won't cut it for us, so we put you a brand new one in it. Tires are good. One of the cleaner 873s I think we've ever had. It's just super nice. It does need a seat. We have a replacement seat that goes with the machine, so that'll come with the machine. Good cutting edge, real tight. Showing the cab, there's the seat. It needs to be replaced. We've got that covered for you. It is hand and foot. You have auxiliary hydraulics here. You also have them here. We're going to crank this machine up and let you see what it'll do. This machine's it'll pick up about 2,500 pounds pretty easily. Tipping weight on it's 4,600. As you can see, it gets way up there. This one here would just about load your commercial dump truck. Maybe not quite, but close. 1 ton, 2 ton, 3 ton dump trucks won't be a problem with this one. It tracks straight. As you can see, it does not stroke one way or the other. And this machine goes up, get this now, at full speed, 8 miles an hour. It'll flat fly. It does have the light package with it. Looking for a really nice, powerful, reliable skid steer. We got it here around